Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make a digital clock with Python. It's simple project. At first, just import tinter from tinter import all. Then from tinter tinter dot ttk import all. Okay. Then import time from time import strf time. Okay, fine. Then ui, so root equal to tk, then root dot title is clock. Okay, fine. Then define a time function or define a label. This is time label. So at first you just get label, so label equal to label, then root first parameter, comma, font. Okay, like clock font, so font equal to ds digital. This is my font, here is my font. Okay, ds digital. I will give this font link in the description. You just download this font and install this font in your machine. Okay, first parameter font name, then comma font size, this is font size, comma background color. Okay, then background equal to black. If you want to change any color, then for color or like font color, so for background, foreground equal to red. Fine. Then label dot back anchor center, core equal to center. Fine. Okay, here we just create a function. So this function name is time, then string equal to strf time, hence time format. Okay, so like you want to display this time, this format like percentage, hour, minute, then second, space, small p as like am, pm. Okay, then label dot config text equal to string, then label dot after 1000 comma time as like 1 second. Okay, then after label just call time function, time, then call loop, so main loop. Okay, now we just let start or run this program. So click run and run main program. Okay, fine. This is my digital clock. Here is time. Okay, this is simple programming Python and create a amazing digital clock. Thanks for watching this video, and please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends.